JacobViral with Unique Audio Customs. We have the American base Signature Series 15s. There's 815s in a 6.5 order. We're about 4,800 case power with sound digital, 4 sound digital 12 case.
Okay. 6.5, so you got
6.5. Yep.
Wow.
5 there and 3 across the front.
That's a lot of cone area. Okay.
A lot of cone area.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Not a problem, man.
I want to hear it.
You watch me?
Alright. Hey, 14, what's your lithium? How much battery power?
So, actuality, the truck is set up for 6 limitless lithium 12 case.
Okay.
We're only running 5 at the moment. We're
Okay.
one on the back order.
Okay.
Running on 3 JS 370 amp alternator.
Okay. Alright. So that's the 6.5 for. I guess it gives you that bandwidth. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, you want a picture? Here, hold that.
So now, one request that I have, if you're going to put this online, you got to make sure that it's known that this truck enclosure is designed and built by Joel Walker. Great Joel Walker.
Joel Walker. Alright, that's
Joel Walker.
Built by Joel Walker.
Absolutely.
Alright.
Damon, what's going on? Been holding on. Just hit that button when you're ready to get out.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around. We just got a Tyrone system that he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area location of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Really impressive to see him fit this much power and cone area in a 6.5 order. The way you know this is 6.5 because the subs are in the ported section in the top, and you also have a subwoofer in the bottom section facing into the cabin. There's actually 3 of them subs facing into the cabin, and then you've got 5 inside of the box inverted. So the way the wiring is all phased, it's all appropriate. You could tell during the demo the subs were all at the right angle. So notice that front port is a front port, and then if you look in the back behind the subs, there is a rear port, which is a 6th order, and then the 6.5, that extra 0.5 is because of the subs oriented in the front, but they're all in a single common chamber, just reverse polarity on some of the subwoofers. So that makes a total of 48,000 watts on 8 15-inch subs with a lot of power on deck between all the electrical system he talked about. We're getting to the demo now. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy.
I'm ready.
If I were you, I'd take precautions.
Awesome, thank you, man.
Not a problem.
Holy smokes, man, that's really good. Good job, man. Sounds really great, really musical, and doesn't fall off at all.
Yeah.
So that's the 6.5 I guess it gives you that bandwidth. Yeah. Awesome.